Yo, we're about to get into my entry for the IG. My entry for the IG came a long way. Open verse challenge by Lady Ace. My entry for the IG came a long way. Open verse challenge by Lady Ace. We're about to get into it. I tagged my sis. I tagged my sis April G in the comments of Ace's post in which she issued a challenge to bar spit. And she said you gotta have bars. She's giving people until this Sunday. So artists have 3 more days. You know what I mean? 3 more days to record and upload on Instagram. I told her that Ace issued a challenge, and she said she was gonna try to do it, and she ended up doing it. And yeah, we're here, man. We are gonna see what my sis is coming with, man. Let's get it. The winner gets a free feature. I told April that too. That's what Ace said in her video. What? Sent it. Alright. Alright, bro. Alright, thank. Alright, thank. Alright, yo. Yeah, my fault. Yo, Ace's singing voice is fire. I told Ace that too. Saw my best friend die in a school shooting at 15, was addicted. Yeah, that was the first school shooting in U.S. history, man. That happened on November 15th, 1995, 10 days after I was born, man. Yeah. I'm glad April's still alive, man. Real talk, man. That was traumatizing and tragic, man. Saw my best friend die in a school shooting at 15, was addicted to drugs so I could be numb to everything. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Yeah, her younger brother Jordan had a brain tumor, and her older brother had liver cirrhosis, if my memory is right. If my memory is right, that her older brother died from liver cirrhosis, man. R.I.P. to both of her biological brothers, man. Again, I send my condolences again. Again, R.I.P. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Put a gun to my head because I felt so alone. Was told. Yeah, man. Yo, like I said before, April is strong. She's a survivor. She's a fighter, bro. She's a soldier, man. She did not follow through with the ending of herself, man, and the ending of her life. You know what I mean? Her son was small at the time, man. She would have left her son, her mom, and all that, bro. Like that would have been traumatizing, man. I'm glad she over, like, yo, she overcame a lot, bro. Like she's an overcomer. Word to Royce, man. That's a bar. Royce got a song called Overcomer, man. Died in a school shooting at 15, was addicted to drugs so I could be numb to everything. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Put a gun to my head because I felt so alone. Was told in 2020 I'd be dead in 1 to 5. Yeah, here I am catching balls, rapping still alive. Because regardless of how you know what I mean? One of the best reactors, one of the best bar catchers, man. April G, man. Yo, she's elite. She's elite, man. Real talk. Like, she's gonna blow up. I believe she's gonna break through this year. This is her year, man. Yo, it's going, bro. Greener pastures, man. That's greener pastures. She, there will be greener pastures, man. I believe she will. I believe she will break through. April, she multi-talented. April is multi-talented. You know what I'm saying? Fire poet, fire storyteller, you know what I'm saying? Fire bar catcher, fire reactor, fire comedian. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro. Her poetry is fire, her comedy is fire, bro. Her reacting, bar catching. You know what I mean? She can rap too, bro. Like she got better, bro. She like her improvement, bro, is laudable. I venerate it, man. Like don't ever stop, man. Everything. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Put a gun to my head cause I felt so alone. Was told in 2020 I'd be dead in 1 to 5. Yeah, here I am. I believe she will prove the doctors wrong, man. She will live beyond 45, man. I believe it, bro. Like, that's what. Yeah. Yeah. Everything. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Put a gun to my head cause I felt so alone. Was told in 2020 I'd be dead in 1 to 5. Yeah, here I am catching balls, rapping still alive. Cause regardless of how I may feel within my system, I'ma always be a survivor and never a victim. Cause I yeah, that's fire how she ended that. Hold up. Cause I came along. Yeah, and then she said the rest. She finished that sentence. Look. My career and my home. Put a gun to my head cause I felt so alone. Was told in 2020 I'd be dead in 1 to 5. Yeah, here I am catching balls, rapping still alive. Cause regardless of how I may feel within. Hold on, run that joint back. Not in a school shooting at 15 was addicted to drugs so I could be numb to everything. Lost both my siblings, my career, and my home. Put a gun to my head cause I felt so alone. Was told in 2020 I'd be dead in 1 to 5. Yeah, here I am catching balls, rapping still alive. Cause regardless of how I may feel within my system, I'ma always be a survivor and never a victim. The victim mentality, baby. The victor mentality. The victor mentality. Yeah, man. Bro. That's it, man. If y'all like that joint, comment, share, sub, show our love. Tell her Devo the Amberverse sent you, man. Yeah, bro. She always comes with honesty and realness, man. She's not afraid to express her real emotions and say how she's really feeling and say what she's going through and all that type of stuff, man. Like, yeah, bro. Like, yeah, bro. Her storytelling is fire, man. Like, all that stuff she was saying is true, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? That school shooting, all that, bro. Like, she put a gun to her head, man. Like, all that is true, man. Like, she doesn't cap, bro. Like, I laud her heavy, man. Like, I got immense respect for her, man, and immense love for her. Like, she's one of the most solid, thoroughbred people, man. Like, people like her should be way bigger and have way more recognition, man. Real talk. I'm about to get up out of here. I appreciate and love you. I'm one love to the family of DTA Elevation Before. No GTA, man. I'm gone.